Hi guys, it's Nunu and I'm here in discussion 3 with you. Data regarding low student success rates in the U.S., 1,250 words, 132 points. Okay, so let's survey this assignment together. We have 3 links, we have the discussion rubric, 3 different kinds of sources, and the assignment purpose. We have a part 1 that is due Friday of week 3 this week. We have also a part 2, which is due on Friday of week 3 this week as well. And we have a part 3, which is due by 11:59 p.m. on Sunday of week 3 this week as well. Okay, we have also help with quoting, which is right down here. Okay, I'm going to scroll up to the links right below this data. And I'm not going to click on the discussion rubric. You're familiar with it already from previous assignments, but what is it? It's how I evaluate this assignment. So if you want to review this information, it's right here. We also have 3 different kinds of sources that we're going to learn about here. Let's click on this link. You'll want to read it carefully. Sources, 3 kinds of sources, and the definition of source. A source is a person, people, or an organization that you can quote or paraphrase in a paper to support your thesis. The antithesis, which is the opposite opinion to your thesis. Okay, so, and what does paraphrase mean? You'll click on this link and learn. We have our 3 sources here: primary, secondary, and tertiary. You'll want to read them very carefully, okay? All this information. All right, I'm going to go back into our assignment and I'm going to click on the assignment purpose, the discussion 3 assignment purpose. To support a thesis, which is your overall opinion in an essay about the topic, and rebut an antithesis, which is the opposite opinion to your thesis, a college-level essay should present 3 general kinds of sources in an essay whenever possible. A, expert opinions, what authoritative, trustworthy people and organizations say or write in relation to some aspect of the essay topic. B, data, facts, statistics, and surveys that we compile to analyze an issue. And C, anecdotal evidence, personal stories and accounts of people's and organizations' experiences that are relevant to the essay topic, that pertain to the essay topic, that are about the essay topic. In this assignment, we are exploring data sources that indicate why U.S. student success rates are so low. We're also learning how to format and incorporate short quotes, fewer than 4 lines, and block quotes, more than 4 lines, into an essay. Okay, I am going to go back into our assignment, and we have our part 1, which is 100 points. Number 1, in 1,000 words, 4 pages, write an essay about what the statistics below reveal about the state of the U.S. public education system. Copy and paste the quotes below into your essay, smoothly incorporating them into your writing. So here I model for you how to use short quotes right here, and also something called the parenthetical citation, which is right here in parentheses at the end, which you'll be learning about in the quizzes in this classroom. So I'm modeling them for you so you have a practical idea. Show me examples of what quotes look like. Okay, so these are all short quotes here. This quote here is a block quote, and it's indented 5 spaces from the left margin, and it's separated from your writing. And so this is giving you practice with this kind of block quote. Okay, so you're going to also copy and paste the works cited below and place it at the end of your essay. It is not part of the 1,000 word count for your essay. And I'm going to minimize the screen a little bit so that the works cited lines up I'd made the screen bigger so that you could see the writing clearly, but this is what a works cited looks like. And you're going to learn how to create this kind of bibliography in our classroom. And a bibliography or works cited, these are all the works in alphabetical order that you use in a paper. Okay, so our part 2, I'm going to let you read the information about this. It relates to primary, secondary, and tertiary sources, and those are found in this link up here, 3 different kinds of sources. You'll be working with that in part 2 down here. And part 3 is a peer evaluation, which is incredibly important because you're going to give feedback to other students on their work, and you're going to receive feedback. And of course, I'm going to ask you questions below one of your postings, and you'll respond to my questions. Okay, so I'll let you read all this information in this assignment on your own. And I'm going to remind you that I'm here in Inbox. If you need my help, if you have a question or concern, you're never bothering me, you're never emailing me too much, you need to teach me how to teach you. So we collaborate on this. We try to make this information useful to you. And if you have any suggestions, I definitely want them. Okay, enjoy this assignment and learning about these data sources about low student success rates. I think you'll find them eye-opening.